In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move files to a shared drive in Google Drive, a simple yet crucial task that will help streamline your workflow and improve collaboration with your team. Google Drive has become a staple for many individuals and businesses, offering a convenient way to store and share files online. However, moving files to a shared drive can sometimes be a bit confusing, so let me walk you through the process step by step. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the Google Drive homepage. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in with your Google account credentials. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a list of your files and folders. Locate the specific file you want to move to a shared drive. You can do this by scrolling through your list or using the search bar located at the top of the page. Once you've found the file, click on the three vertical dots next to it. This will open a menu with several options. Hover over the Organize option and you'll see another set of choices appear. Here you'll want to choose the Move option. This action will bring up a new window displaying the various locations within your Google Drive. Next, you'll need to find the shared drive you want to move the file to. To do this, click on All Locations. This command reveals a more detailed view of your drive's layout. Among the sections, you'll see one labeled Shared with Me. Click the small arrow next to it to expand the list of shared drives available to you. It's important to note that you'll only see shared drives that you have access to, so make sure you have the necessary permissions to move files there. After locating the shared drive, click it to open. Now, return to the main screen, select the file you'd like to move and click on Move one more time. This will finalize the process and relocate your file to the shared drive location you chose. Congratulations! You've successfully moved a file to a shared drive in Google Drive. This simple task can make a significant difference in how efficiently you and your team members collaborate, ensuring everyone has access to the documents they need. If you have more files to move, simply repeat these steps for each one. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you're now confident in handling and organizing your files within Google Drive. Remember to save this video for future reference and feel free to share it with colleagues who might find it useful. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.